In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11.2 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, launch one of your apps to use in this view and access it in the background. To do that, using Trick's navigation, click on Square button. Then tap on this icon at the top right corner of your app. And as you can see, now we can use it in this little window. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it. If you want to move your window around, hold this line at the top, drag it, place it wherever you want to, and let go. If you want to turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button and swipe it to the right or to the left. Then to access it, click on the bubble. Then tap on the tiny window. You can also turn your window into a bubble thanks to this line at the top left corner. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, click at the top right left corner over here next to the line. And if you want to close your window completely, use this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!